They still have off-white Air Force Ones. And look at this Nike by You. This is fire. And the price even better. You won't believe the price. Found one of these, and these are hella cheap too. Wow. And they even have the Wizards Jordan 3 right here in a great school. These are dope. We're back in the Bay Area. Nike outlet Livermore. They opened early, man. They opened like 5 minutes early. They got some heat items out front. Barons right here. The emerald green. Okay. They try to make it look like they got heat items, but they're just trying not to give 20% off, or actually 40% off. That's what they're trying not to give to us. That's jacked up. They got refurbished here though. Okay. They supposedly got refurbs here though. I don't see any refurbished boxes. You know, just like a couple here and there, but nothing good. Yes, I'm starting with the smallest sizes right here. LeBrons, they're down to $100, 40% off, so they're down to $60. We got multiple colorways right here, multiple sizes. That's what's up. Got some Forces right here, some Forces. These are highs, go for 100. Got some Jaws right here. These are size 6.5. They're going for 120. Do got Air Max 1 size right here. They're going for $75. At least you get that 40 off. Size 9s right here. Do got the social status pennies right here. These are definitely dope, especially at $104.99, and then you get that extra so $60 for these. Holy cow, $60. Oh wait, oh man, this one shows $149.97. What the hell, dude? What the hell? All right, I had one of the workers check this one. It is going for $150. So if I fit a size 9.5, I would have grabbed that other one. Dang it. Dang nabbits. That was close. Ah, man, that was so close, dude. I definitely would have grabbed those. Adjust Forces right here, $170. I'm back in the size 9, by the way. These are $120 for these. 97s. These are going for $140. Hirachis right here. What are these going for? What are these? These are going for $75 right here. Man, I was hoping they were like some of the Zoom 2K Hirachis. Those haven't released in forever though. Size 10, they've had a ton of LeBrons here. So many different colorways, so many different sizes. And they're all going for $60, yo. One of my boys loves those LeBrons, but I don't want to take it all the way to LA for him. You know, if I find it back in LA, I'll be out and about this week. If I find it in LA, I'll grab them for him. But yeah, these are down to 60. The Calm Mules, yeah. Terminator highs right here for 100. Air Force Ones right here, super bright, going for 100. I remember you do get 40% off everything off the back wall. Cortezes right here. These are the Union Cortezes. These are the Union ones. I wore mine like 2 weeks ago, I think. It wasn't this one. I got like the blue. I think it's blue and light yellow. These are only going for $60 after the savings. $100 before. Wow. I think I got mine for that price. But yeah, these are $2 for these. One of the newer colorways of the LeBron 21s. Have these gone down in price? Because if they have, oh my goodness, $80 and then 40 off on top? Are you serious? Are you serious? Holy cow. Holy cow. $54. $54 for those. They want the full 130 on these. They want the full 130 on these. Wow. These fit a little looser, by the way. The Union ones, they fit a little looser because there's no padding on the back right here. There's no padding on the back. The Cortez, like I was talking to my buddy about this, like it so depends on what type of material they're made out of. I go true to size on some. I have some size 10s. I got 10.5s, I got 11s. It just all depends on what material they're made out of. But yeah, these have zero padding on the back as well on the side. So Yeah, I could have bought a size 10 of these, and I got a 10 and a half. Ton of these Forces, 148. They just made the back wall, I bet. Some Air Max 1s right here. These are size 12, 160. 160. At least you get that 40 off. They got these Kate D17 right here, 140. These are size 15. Finally, a refurb worth showing. And Jordan ADG Golf right here, 103. They got the Sakai's right here, Sakai Waffles, 170. And what the hell? Dang, dude, I haven't seen these in a while. Airships, 150 for these bad boys. This is a crazy huge size though. That's 150 for these. These are size 12. Oh, I thought these were bigger. I'm in like the size 14, 15 area and see some size 12, size 13s. 120 for these. This is an outlet mall. It's only what, 5-6 minutes after 10 o'clock and already a pretty decent sized crowd here. Let's check out some of the clearance apparel where you get another 40% off. $67 for this hoodie right here. They are double XL, so but yeah, the material is really nice. I got Nocta apparel right here, 130. 130 for these. Got air vents and all. Okay. Got Tech fleece right here. I think this is like everything here is like huge. What the hell, dude? What the hell? 95 triple XL. This rack right here. Look at this. It's all these color sweats. What the hell? They got some t-shirts and stuff. But are these all huge too? Oh, that's a medium finally. $20? $20, but oh, this ain't even one of the clearance ones. What the hell? All right, let's move on to this one right here. What the hell? What the hell kind of t-shirt is this? $29. This is kind of why I haven't been to this mall in forever. $75, y'all still trying to get 75 bucks. It is an XL though. I guess you get 40% off, but yeah, we're not finding the greatest things here quite yet. 30% off some super bright shorts. $40. They're 30 off. Got additional 40% off. It is off these super bright shorts. And they're normally what, 40 and 50. 30% off t-shirts. They have a lot of sales, but just nothing crazy. $20 for blue shirts. 30% off all these right here. But they're all the same shorts, just different color. What they going for? $45. Let's go see what's going on in the aisles. They got some collabs right here in this aisle that's pretty interesting. Do got the Noctas right here. I'm just so not a fan of the Noctas. They just look like some Monarchs or something like that. But yeah, $180. They got sizes on those. These are down to $60. These are the Union Cortez right there. They got a second colorway. This is the one that I do have at home, and I grabbed it for like 60 bucks. I just grabbed them. But yeah, like I said, no padding on the back. I walked around the whole freaking outlet trying to find you guys a Cortez so I could show you guys the difference. But yeah, they don't have any. I'm like, they've had them all at the retail stores. They've had them all at the Nike outlets lately, but no, not today. Shout out to the worker who knew my channel. He was like, hey, I've seen your channel. I was like, oh, cool. That's dope. But yeah, I do got Air Max 90s right here. These are going for the full 130. Be patient when you guys see stuff like this for a regular price. Then they do have the off-white Air Forces right here. Just saw someone say I think they're golf shoes. Like, they should be, but they're not. But yeah, the leather's just hella soft on them. I'm not saying I want them or anything, but if you don't have any off-white, you know, this might be the cheapest way to get into them. They got plenty of sizes. They got some Roshi 1s right here. Air Max 90s. Got some 97s. These are Be True colorway. Was gonna say all white, but color coding says white and wolf gray. What the hell? All black, all white. Got some mids here as well. Penny 2s. Flight Legacies. Humaras. These are Quick Strike. All white Hirachis. Got some Blazers. Also got some Terminators. We've seen that pretty much at every outlet. Then got Pegasus 39s, 40s. Pegasus Trail 4s right here. Got multiple colorways. Pegasus Trail 3 Gore-Tex right here. Got some SBs, Heritage Vogues, Killshot 2 leathers. A couple different colorways of the alley-oops. Metcon 9s. I'm gonna need a pair of these because I've been doing some weightlifting lately. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. All kinds of budget signatures right here on this wall. We've seen all these. I don't even have to tell you guys the names because we've literally seen all of these. Got some witnesses right here as well. Then that extends to the back wall right here as well. GT Cut Academies. These are gonna go down in price eventually. Got the Hyper Dunk Lows right here from 2017. And then starting to see signature sneakers. Look at this. Look at this. This is what, 65 bucks or something? Holy cow. And then even got Jordan 2s. We've been seeing a plethora of these. These Zoom 92s, these ain't bad. These are not bad. Remember, they even had a Travis Scott colorway, and then they do have some tech in it. Got some Zoom Air. Those not bad for a Jordan non-signature. And I did buy my kiddo a backpack, but if I find something better or the same for way cheaper, I will return that mother lover so quick. So yeah, I'm checking the backpacks real quick. $35 for the generic ones. Nike Elite backpacks right here, they're going for $60. You do get an extra 25% off, so some pretty decent deals. I don't know what the hell backpack that is, but yeah, those are going for $45. Jordan Flight backpacks right here in a camo colorway. It says it has a bottle pocket, but yeah, my kiddo and I, we use 40-ounce bottles, and yeah, that's not big enough. That's not big enough. So yeah, $60 for those, $40 for those. They got more Nike Elite backpacks right here. Those are good for hoops, but they're not the best for school, like the shape and stuff like that. But it is great because you can throw your ball in here and shoes and stuff. Let's talk about the layout of this store. Some of you guys have been here. Most of you guys have not. The apparel section in the front. Somewhat of a smaller outlet. It kind of reminds me of Carlsbad. And when you come here to the back left, you got the men's right here, and not the biggest section for clearance shoes in the back. And then right here you got the women, and then you got the kids. They share one back wall, so like I said, not the biggest Nike outlet. Usually I try to check out the big women's sizes because those sneakers usually fit me, but we're just checking everything right now because there's really not much in the women's, just a small women's section. Man, do got these dunks right here, regular price, so at least you get 40 off. Got some GT Cut 2s, 170. Got these in-season trainer 12s right here. I was just interested because they do have a strap on them. You don't see too many women's shoes that have a strap. I almost dropped that. $45 for that one. Size 8 Air Max 90 go for $130. Scorpions 180. Oh, these are fire. Look at these. Look at these. Holy cow. Yeah, I have to show you guys these. Look at the material on these. Holy cow, like a velvet. Are those lips or what? I don't know what the hell those are. But yeah, the material on these are so exquisite. This is a Nike by You, and y'all know Nike by You, they just use the best material. It does have a number on top. That kind of makes it a little cheesier. LX 425. The material is just super nice. Colorway's okay. It's gonna work for some of the women out there. It is pretty much a men's size though, dude. Pretty much a men's size. Women's size 11, 9.5. And yeah, look at the price. 110. You get that extra 40 off. So these are gonna be what, 65 bucks or something like that? $66. Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy for the material that you're getting. Look at that velvet smooth material. Holy cow, you got tons of suede. Wow. Finishing out the women's section, got some mids right here, 125. He's going for any cheap right here. The Infinity Run 4s, not 130. Women, checking out the kids. Look at this. Got some football Jordan cleats right here. People have been finding these at Ross and stuff like that. I've gone to a bunch of Ross and I haven't found nothing. But I have seen people on social media find these at Ross for hella cheap. They're definitely not that cheap here. This is size 6 youth. Oh, 60 bucks. That is actually pretty cheap. I thought it was 160. 60 bucks, not bad. Got some dunks right here, $90. 70s for what people refer to them as the Mexican Jordans. That's what a few people told me. I was like, that is hilarious. But yeah, $70 for these. I know some people are going to be offended. I didn't call them that. I said some people have been calling them that. Kind of funny. $70 for Jordan 2s right here. And what are these? I was like, man, these look like Jordan 12 bottoms? Jordan 13 bottoms? Which one does that look like? Jordan 13s? But yeah, do got these, $100 for those. Checking out the women's aisles. Do got some Hyper Royal 12s right there, $160. They're all smaller sizes, 8.5 and below. And then got these 270s right here, going for way too much. Got some Infinity Run 3s. Got some Roshis, Waffle 1s. Got a couple of them. Then now we're moving over to the kids. $105 for the Jordan 1 highs. And then Jordan 3 Wizards. I'm really surprised to see these here. They got some sizes. 4s and 5s, I guess. So not too many. 4.5, 5s. And of course, they gotta get forces. They gotta have forces. Air Max 90s. Multiple colorways of those. And they got some mids right here. That's about it, man. That's about it. I am here on a Sunday, 30 minutes after opening. Got tons and tons of people here. If I remember, last time I came here, parking was really, really crazy. So make sure you guys get here right when this place opens. What's up with these pants right here? They got Nike cargo pants, which we've been seeing more and more, but you still don't see it that often. But yeah, these are $65, no extra discounts. The polos, you get extra discounts off the polos, 30% off of 35. Got jackets right here. It's way colder out here too, so jackets are way more necessary. 55 for these, you get an extra 30 off. I came in shorts. I was like, it's gonna be warm, but I don't know. It might be cold. I don't know. It looks pretty hot outside, but it is gloomy. $35 for these budget backpacks right here. Got these a little bit nicer ones. These are going for $60. The Emerald 4s, those already sold out. The Barons, those are still there. Trying to see if I see anything in the women's section. I do see a lot of sales signs. Mini Jordan backpacks. These are going for $25. Like I've said in the past, I don't like going through the women's section. Sometimes I just don't want to look like the creepy dude looking like I'm trying to take videos of women and stuff. But yeah, they got cheap ass tees right here. Look at this. $20, you get another 40 off. So what is that? 12 bucks? 12 bucks? Of course, there's like barely any material in that. Sports bras and stuff like that going for $20. And if y'all women choose to wear this type of stuff, us guys, we're good with it. We're good with it. You know, we don't complain. You know, we just go with whatever y'all want. Yeah, I do got these shorts right here, $35. Oh, it says leggings only. So this type of stuff, $80. $80 and $80 for these, and you get an extra 30 off. They do seem hella thick though. They got the phone pocket right there. They seem really thick. Sports bras, $25. Apparel, I guess is this stuff right here, another 30. This is a little thinner than that one. Oh, but it's the same price. So maybe it's the same thing. I don't know. But yeah, done being creepy, guys. At least I got to show you guys some of the women's section. But I think we're out, man. I think we're out. I'm gonna try to hit up a few more stores here, as well as try to make a few other stops in Northern California. So I think we're done, man. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that like button, support the channel. And we out, man. We out. Stay tuned. Do got an Adidas outlet. Let's go. Oh, I've never seen these in person. Oh, okay. These are pretty thick. I have a New Balance. What a trip here. Look at this. Seeing collabs that I've never seen before. Got tons of shoes that are made in England as well as the US. Also seeing skate shoes right here. These are the 1010s right here. 990s. Multiple colorways, as well as different sizes, all on the back wall.